The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with endless possibilities. So, let's open our minds, expand our horizons, and discover the wonders that await us beyond our planet. Let's explore the universe together. Fact number 1. Milky Way smells of rum, raspberries, and booze. In 2009, scientists studying a massive cluster of gas and dust in the middle of our galaxy were amazed to find a significant amount of a substance called ethyl formate. This chemical has two interesting characteristics. It is the source of the distinct taste of raspberries, and it emits an aroma that resembles rum. There is another neighboring area worth mentioning, as it is abundant in ethyl alcohol, also known as ethanol, which is the type of alcohol used in the production of alcoholic beverages. There is a sufficient amount of alcohol in it to provide each individual on Earth with 300,000 pints of beer daily for the next billion years. Fact number 2. Water in the universe. Water, the elixir of life, is not just confined to Earth. Scientists have discovered evidence of water ice on the surfaces of numerous moons and asteroids, and even water vapor in the atmospheres of planets and comets. One of the most exciting discoveries is the hidden ocean beneath the icy surface of Jupiter's moon Europa, which is thought to contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. However, the most water ever discovered lies around a black hole about 12 billion light-years away. This colossal reservoir contains enough water vapor to fill 140 trillion times the volume of Earth's oceans. Fact number 3. The moon is lemon-shaped. Despite how it looks at night, our moon is not actually perfectly round. Instead, it resembles the shape of a lemon, with flattened ends and noticeable bumps along its middle, both on the side we see and the side we don't. This peculiar form is believed to have originated from Earth's early interactions shortly after its establishment. Fact number 4. The weight of 1 teaspoon of a neutron star is equivalent to the weight of the entire human population. A neutron star's density is mind-boggling. These stars are composed almost entirely of neutrons packed together in a tiny radius. Only a small amount of this substance, equivalent to a teaspoonful, would have a mass of over 1 trillion kilograms. This is greater than the combined weight of all humans, which totals a few 100 billion kilograms. Fact number 5. Neptune has only completed one orbit around the Sun since its discovery. It takes Neptune an incredible 165 years to make a complete journey around the Sun. Since its discovery in 1846, Neptune has just completed its very first orbit since being found, and this happened in 2011. Fact number 6. Our days are getting longer. The velocity at which Earth rotates is decelerating each year. It requires more time for our planet to make a complete rotation on its axis. The change is minuscule, however. Every century, Earth slows in 1/500th of a second. In the future, specifically 1,000 years from now, a single day will be extended by 2/100ths of a second in comparison to its current duration. Fact number 7. Venus spins backwards. Venus rotates in the opposite direction compared to the other planets within our solar system. It is evident that we need to solve this puzzle in order to gain a deeper understanding of how our solar system was formed and evolved. Is it possible that Venus was struck by a different object in the early stages of the solar system, causing it to rotate in the opposite direction? In reality, a concrete explanation for Venus spinning in the opposite direction compared to the other planets is yet to be determined. Fact number 8. On Mercury, a day is twice as long as a year. Mercury's peculiar rotation and orbit result in a day that lasts twice as long as a year. While one Mercurian day takes 59 Earth days, a year on Mercury spans 88 Earth days. This anomaly arises from Mercury's eccentric orbit and its alignment with the Sun. The length of time from sunrise to sunrise, known as a solar day, on Mercury extends to 176 Earth days, double the length of a Mercurian year. Fact number 9. Gamma ray bursts can release more energy in 10 seconds than our Sun will in its entire life. No cosmic event can match the sheer power unleashed by a gamma ray burst, a fleeting yet incredibly intense explosion of high-energy radiation. These bursts, which can last anywhere from milliseconds to hours, are believed to arise from two distinct phenomena: the catastrophic collapse of a massive star or the violent merger of two neutron stars. Fact number 10. The Sun loses a billion kilos per second. The particles in the upper atmosphere of the Sun are extremely hot and energetic, causing them to rapidly travel into space as a component of the solar wind. The star we observe releases an immense amount of particles, about 1.3 trillion every second. To put it in perspective, this is equivalent to approximately 1 billion kilograms of substance per second, or 1 Earth every 185 million years.